Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can import and export a specific content on WordPress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened the WordPress, and to import or export we need to go to the tools menu. Wait guys, I'm going to scroll down until we find tools, and here in the tools we find marketing, monetize, and also import and export. And this is when to import and export, so we need to focus on them. Okay, I'm going to, for example, import. We can click on import guys, and then here you can import content. For example, you want to import your files in Blogger or Medium or Wix or Substack, but I'm just going to leave it like that because I don't want to import content to my blog or my WordPress. And then I'm going to go back to the tools and select the error. I mean select the export. I'm going to click on tools and then select export. Okay, and then if you want to export specific content, you just need to select this menu, this little arrow, and here you can select specific content to export. For example, I'm going to export my blog on WordPress. I have published it and choose the start date and also the end date. Okay, and just click on export selected content. Okay, and it's still loading guys, it's still exporting. Okay, and now my export was successful. A download link has also been sent to my email. So if I want to read the whole contents, I need to go to my email and I can download from there. Okay guys, and that's all the way to export and import specific contents in WordPress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.